Right, 33. Well, again, we got something on the top with two terms over a term underneath. So we got a fraction, haven't we? So that's akin to saying 3, I don't know, plus 2 over 7. If I said that, say, I could write that, split that up as 3/7 plus 2/7, yeah? Yeah? A little box around it. So that's the rule for fractions, as we split them up. So we do exactly the same with this more complicated looking thing. But in principle, it's no different or no more difficult than the thing underneath. So what did we do here? We had 3 plus 2 over 7. It was the first term over what was underneath, plus the second term over what was underneath. The first term over what was underneath, plus the second term, which is a -1, over what was underneath. There we go. That's it. Now I'm going to put the 1 in there because I need to use rules for indices, remember? Divide x to the a over x to the b, u minus, top take bottom. And the other one, I've got index underneath, so I'm going to need to use this rule to flip it up the other way. There we go. There's the rule. All the rules we need are there now. So let's apply them or invoke them. So divide u minus, top take bottom. 1 take a half is a half, so you get x to the half. And here, bring that up to ground level, -1 lot of x. Flip the index of half. Flip the sign of the index to -1/2. Tidy it up a bit more. X to the half minus x to the -1/2. There we go. Now that's tidied up. Now we can do the differentiation. Yeah, so we write divide dx on the left. And then on the right, we run along the row and differentiate each term, term by term. So it would be half comes down, yeah? X to the 1 less than half, minus a half. And then the -1/2 next term comes down to be with the minus to make a plus, half. X to the 1 less than -1/2, which is -3 over 2. And that's perfectly fine. We could, if we're fussy, I suppose, tidy it up, bring everything up to ground level, make everything positive index rather. So you could write divide dx 1 over, bring that down and it's 2, flip that to a half. And then bring that down to be with the 2 and flip the sign 3 over 2. There we go. Either of those, no problem. Absolutely fine. 33 is done.